Welcome the our channel. Today we how to use Notion calendar on iPhone, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open the Notion app on your iPhone. If you haven't already, sign in to your Notion account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to use the calendar. Tap the plus icon to create a new page. Select calendar from the list of options. You'll see a blank calendar view. To add a new event, tap the plus add a view button. Name your calendar view to differentiate it from others. Choose your preferred settings, such as the date range and appearance. Once you've customized your view, tap Create. Now, to add an event, tap anywhere on the calendar. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter details about your event. Fill in the title and any additional information needed. You can also set the date and time for your event. If you want to add reminders, tap on the reminder option. After entering all the details, tap Done to save the event. Your event will now appear on the calendar. To edit an event, simply tap on it. Make your changes and tap Done again. If you want to delete an event, tap on it and select Delete.
To sync your calendar with other calendars, go to Settings.
Find the Sync option and link your preferred calendars. This allows you to have all your events in one place.
Explore further features, such as sharing your calendar with others.
The Notion calendar is versatile and perfect for personal or professional use.
Take your time to familiarize yourself with the various settings.
With practice, you'll become more efficient in organizing your schedule. Remember to regularly review your calendar for any upcoming events.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.